Catching fleas to catching a flight. It's been an interesting journey for 145 Jamaican brown terriers, more commonly called mongrels. The dogs were flown to Canada over the weekend.
My dog, them a feelings. My dog, them a feelings.
People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Yo people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel once again. Much love and appreciation, people. So today, people, we're going to talk about some mongrel dogs that got them visa and migrated to Canada. Yes, people, you heard me correctly. The mongrel dog them got them visa and now they're living a better life in Canada, people. Most people that get for travel, but the mongrel them get them visa and fly off. You see me? Yeah, man. So people, everybody know what a mongrel dog is. You see me? Majority of the times you have the mongrel dogs, them just roam the street or roam neighborhood. Them not belong to nobody. They don't belong to no family. Them always just out there. And they have been getting quite the attention on social media recently because, as I said before, 144 of them migrated to Canada with the help of some great individuals. Listen me, people. So I'm going to play this clip from TVJ News talking about the dogs' migration. You see me? Check it out, people.
Over 140 dogs are now in Canada after they were flown there from Jamaica. Dwayne Anderson reports.
Catching fleas to catching a flight. It's been an interesting journey for 145 Jamaican brown terriers, more commonly called mongrels. The dogs were flown to Canada over the weekend. Most of the animals were strays that were rescued from the streets of Jamaica by the Montego Bay Animal Haven based in St. James.
This is Amari. She's a beautiful dog. She might be missing a leg, but she's beautiful, as you can see. She was found on an absolutely pouring rainy day in Fairview in Mobay. I took a different road because of the traffic, so I went down past the hospital now, G West, and she was sat in the middle of the road, skin and bone.
Our news team was at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay as the dogs were loaded onto their flight. The animals did not need a visa, but a lot of other documentation had to be done before they could travel.
They have to be parasite-free, so they have to be thoroughly wormed, no fleas, no ticks, nothing contagious on them. They have to be good body weight, they have to be healthy. So once our vets have given the dogs a health certificate, weighed them, aged them, because we don't know the age of some of these dogs, we get their certificate done, and then the certificate and the dog is then taken to the government vet, and she has to give it a very, very thorough examination to make sure that she agrees with everything that's been written down by our vets. And then if that is the case, we're given clearance to send the dog.
There was a lot of hugging and kissing. Saying goodbye was not easy for some of the dogs' longtime caregivers. Removing these dogs and other suffering animals from the streets of Jamaica carry economic benefits, as animal-loving tourists who come to Jamaica and see the maimed or dead dogs on the country streets are turned off from visiting again. Now these pictures and videos were shared with us of some of the animals in their new homes in Canada. Some already enjoying walks with their new owners. This one has been outfitted in a little dog jacket to help brave the freezing temperatures. The animals were sent to Canada thanks to a partnership with Save Our Scruff, which is a non-profit dog rescue charity located in Toronto and Southern Ontario.
Yeah, man, so that's what happened. And as I said before, people, the dogs have been getting a lot of attention on social media, and a lot of memes have been created on Twitter, Instagram, everywhere you go, you see the meme them that they created for them mongrels. Cause as me say, people, mongrel dog just is like some, majority of the times they're just like stray dogs. Nobody don't want them, and they were rescued by these great individuals, and now they have been adopted in Canada. You see me? Them a live big, better life now. You see me? I don't know if them are going to file for nobody at Jamaica. They might left a few brothers and sisters down there. I don't know if them can do no filing. I don't know what kind of power them have now. You see me? Because they not go over there go work or nothing, you know, just enjoy the good life. You see me, people? But check out some of them memes that people have been leaving. You see me, people? Check it out. And those were the memes, people. And, you know, people had positive feedback on what happened. And, you know, they're happy that these dogs were adopted and was shipped off to Canada to, you know, be in a better place, better condition. Because majority of the dogs, them were, as I said, stray dogs on the street. A lot of things are wrong with them, and these people help them change them life, change them ways. And I'm gonna read you some of the comments that people left under certain posts, people. One person said, "Oh my God, I'm so happy. This is my whole point of becoming a vet when I'm older. I am glad to see people helping the dogs in Jamaica." Another person goes on to say, "This warms my heart. I hate seeing them on the streets being abused and suffering. They need to go to other parishes too." Another person goes to say, "Wow, them dogs, they have it better than most of we. My dogs, them have to live."
My dog, them have to live. My dog, them have to live.
Yo, that is funny. Another person goes on to say, "I am so happy for those dogs. They deserve it. It pains my heart to see how some of these dogs are treated in Jamaica. Thank God they will have a nice, loving, caring family." But sometimes, you know, people, you have to understand that most time people in a Jamaica can't even provide for themselves. How them are going to provide for your dog? Every day is a struggle for some Jamaicans, people, especially when you're poor and you don't know where the next meal is coming from. You can't expect those people to provide for dog. Of course, them have them in the yard and in a business. If them eat, if what happened to them, bring them go a vet. Nah, that's the last thing on their minds. So you have to understand that you can't really provide for your dog when you can't provide for yourself. You see me, people? And the rich people, them not have mongrel. Them have some hybrid dog, some Rottweiler, some German Shepherd, some pit bull. Them type of dog, the rich people. Rich people don't look for a mongrel dog. You see me? Another person goes on to say, "My heart is filled with joy seeing this. Animal lives matter too. Hopefully I'll be removed from Jamaica too." What? Oh Lord. Another person goes on to say, "Tears of joy, may I tell you. This warms my heart and really made my day. As a person who loves animals, me can't bear to see how people treat dogs in Jamaica. Abuse and hit them for no reason at all. I hope they adopt more. This is so nice." And the people them who's been doing this, people, they're doing a great job. You see me? They're doing a great job. They are helping out and they're doing it to their best of their ability. So much respect to those people once again, people. And people, if you want to check out most of the memes, so you can go on Twitter and just type in mongrel dogs. You will see a bunch of them. You see me, people? Big up in yourself. Thank you guys once again for tuning into my channel. Much love and appreciation. You see me, people? Bless up in yourself from YaadAndAbroadTV. Much love.
Here, come here. So there's a work and travel program overseas. Are you interested? Come here. Come here. Come. No, listen. No, you're not listening. You're not listening. That's what, Foodie. There's a work and travel program. I mean, no. Wait, no. Foodie, come here. Come here, Foodie. Come here. No, listen now. There's a work and travel program, right? I was wondering, it goes to Canada. I was wondering if you were interested. Foodie!
Yes, Pinky, so me I try to show you one Claude Van Der Dog, straight embassy, America, right now. I know them man I night a visa man them. I'm saying me can't catch your face for you, Pinky. Straight embassy, them man I send. See man them in them blue and visa man them embassy.